Hello friends, I'm going to be doing a self-unboxing. So what you see here is kind of a long story. Now, if you've been supporting my products and purchasing them and using them, I appreciate that. I've had some challenges, especially with partnering up with home brewing and going that route with some of my products. My crafted lineup is different than my kind of OG baseline SalonGuy products. Very, very different, completely different manufacturing process, the whole thing. My crafted lineup is and was targeted to be kind of that homebrew, homemade, handcrafted, like homemade wine type thing, which I'm still not a huge fan of, to be honest with you. But I created my crafted line with a lot of ups and downs, okay? Now, some of these products, well, I would say all of them, are really, really incredible products. And the reason why they're so unique is because it's not just some random dude in his garage or who's been like, an electrician or a math teacher for 25 years making products in his kitchen. Like, no. It's because that I, myself, as a real professional hairstylist, teamed up with a home brewer, Cody, to work on these products together. Because I'm like, yeah, I'm not going to just let some random dude, make my products who has not even a hairstylist. So I wanted to be kind of the first to collaborate as a professional with a homebrew type of situation, and that's what the crafted lineup is. Now, the crafted lineup are all products that I have requested, that I have wanted to be made, and ups and downs. And even to this day, we're talking like a month ago, 2 months ago, there have been so many inconsistencies with the formulations and the mixtures and problems with clumping and that's why I hate homebrew products, to be honest with you. But however, I put my foot down and I said, listen, man, it's already too late. Now, if you've used my crafted lineup products and they work well, they're incredible. They're absolutely phenomenal products, and I'm not just saying that myself. It's because these were all made with a very specific purpose, and the purpose is to have great products, right? And have them a lot more customized in that space. All right, now I'm just taking out all this stuff because this box, I just got this box yesterday, and what this box contains are reformulations to an extent. I wouldn't say reformulations, corrections to having these things mixed the right way. Now, the formulas are pretty much the same, made one or two little enhancements or tweaks. However, these are updates that I wanted to have done to just be better products. Because I honestly said, I'm like, these suck. This homebrew, I'm so tired of this homebrew crap, it just sucks. It's inconsistent, so I put my foot down and I said, I need these products to be better. And that's what these are. So I'm taking out a handful of products that he has redone, and we've collaborated on this and consulted and said, you know what, they have to be better. Okay, I'll make the improvements. So here's my 25 spray, my sea salt matte paste, and then lastly, this isn't a homebrew product, this is my blow dryer. Now over time, I did update this over time to make sure that I invested in the ionic technology for this blow dryer. And just so you know, for all the people saying, wait, I've seen this before with someone else, yeah, I came up with this first, and I freaked out on my manufacturer. I'm like, what are you doing making a similar blow dryer for someone else? You made this for me. So I had this first, and also I have the ionic upgraded technology, so don't be fooled. So nextly is these products. Now, 25 spray right here is kind of, I would say, the gold standard for leave-in pre-stylers, leave-in treatments, and this is a very, very unique product, all right? This is a very unique product in the sense that it's like 25 benefits, and it's like a multivitamin for your hair. Now, what I wanted him to do with this was to have it a bit of a softer spray in the hair. I do have a mannequin right here. And I said, you know, it's a great product. However, I want this to be a little bit of a lighter mist. Now, because it's a thicker consistency liquid, it's, you know, it's not just water. There's loads of really healthy extracts in here and ingredients. So I'm going to shake it up. Always shake this up. This is 25 spray, and let's see what we got. So let's just wait for the sprayer. Okay, definitely a lighter mist. You still have to push down a little bit on it, but smells incredible. And yeah, it feels, so we made one little improvement so that it actually feels a little bit softer in your hair and more conditioned. And wow, this is unbelievable right here. Yeah, this is unbelievable. So 25 spray improvements. It's just a slightly lighter mist. It can't be a perfectly like water mist because it's a thicker consistency. So you always spray and push down firmly, and now it's got a more universal spritz to it, and it actually feels softer right off the bat, okay, going in the hair. So really, really excited about that. Now, the next one is my Crafted Extreme Hold Matte Paste. Boy, have I had a love-hate relationship with this product. It is such an amazing product, but the issues that I've faced with this product, and if you're someone who has had a bad experience with this, meaning you've had, you know, you scoop it and it's clumping in your hands, and you're like, what is it? I would just throw it away. Like that was me. I've already lost you. If you're a customer, I've lost you. You're gone. But if you've had that, you know, let me know, and I'll be happy to work with you. But I told him, I said, I'm done. That's it. You have to redo this and make it perfect. Okay? No more clumping. No more this. When it does work, and when it did work, it's absolutely like incredible. So here we go. This is the Crafted Extreme Hold Matte Paste. Yep. There's no sort of water on top. Traditionally, in the past, you would see like just some water sitting on top. That's all gone. There's no like flake, none of that stuff. All gone. Now, here we go. The scoop. All right, there's the scoop right there. It never was an issue of scooping. It was always more an issue of when you worked it into your hands, you know, it would start to clump and things like that because it was so watery. So here's the product right here. God, I swear I hope this has been fixed because I've had it. All right, let's work it in. And yeah, there it is. It's gone. The clumping is gone. Look at that. There was one little, but they work out right away. So, it smells beautiful. And yes, it's all gone. There's no clumping. No more clumping. And you work this through the hair. And man, this is, I'm telling you, out of matte pastes go, if you're looking for a really good, solid, strong hold, matte paste, I'm telling you, yes, it's fixed, ladies and gentlemen. It's absolutely fixed. This is a phenomenal product. And it's only taken, what, 4.5, 5 years to make this perfect? So the Extreme Hold Crafted Matte Paste, the clumping, this was real time. I want to bring you in behind the scenes on what I have to go through with products, okay? So the Crafted Extreme Hold Matte Paste, my happiness level, my confidence level, I just went through the roof. So super happy about that. Next, the Sea Salt Styling Paste. This is a kind of a cult-ish product in a sense where I'd say like if people use it, they love it, but if they don't know about it, they're not going to know about it. But the ones who use this love it because imagine tidal wave in like a paste form. Okay, that's what this does. And once again, I wanted this to be perfect as well. I said, let's make some improvements on this. And Cody, you know, said, all right, I know what to do, and did it, and here it is. This is the first version, updated version. Smells like a nice, light, clean finger. It's not a whole lot of scent to it. All right, here we go. Let's scoop it out. And these are a little bit cold because they've been traveling and got stuck in like snowstorms and stuff like that. So here we go. I'm gonna apply it, and that just goes, I mean, right in, no clumping, nothing. Goes right in, a lot smoother and softer than the extreme hold matte paste. However, as this works in, you're getting more of that sea salt type of texture and grit. And I would say this is probably better for finer hair because of that sea salt grit and that sea salt texture where it binds the hair together. So if you are someone who's got a finer hair texture, then this is going to be perfect for you. Just need a little bit, work it all the way through the hands so it really just dissolves into the hands perfectly. So you got a matte finish, and then you can go in and style it. So you're getting that sea salt property in a paste form. Unbelievable. These two, I mean, beautiful job, beautiful job. I'm so thankful that I'm able to work with him and that he's been able to be finally what they should have been. All right, so 25 updates. Extreme Hold Matte Paste updates and the Sea Salt Styling Paste updates. All available. Shop.thesalonguy.com. Now let's go into the last part of this, which is the blow dryer. All right, now for the blow dryer, I asked them to simply, sorry, I'm all over the place. I asked them to simply make sure the magnetic attachment was a little bit stronger. I made one special request. So I go back to the technician and make sure that the magnetic attachment, now this is it right here. It comes with this magnetic nozzle. You need the nozzle for blow drying, and it comes with the diffuser. Because I've sold, I mean, I can't believe how many of these I sell, and I really appreciate that. That's why I'm able to keep making them. And they almost went out of stock. Well, they have gone out of stock in the past, but they almost recently went out of stock, but my manufacturer timed it so perfectly where they got them to me just when I had like 2 left, and now I'm fully stocked again. So now's the time to buy them. All right, here is the magnetic, nozzle, and oh, it automatically, it feels a little heavier. Interesting. All right, and here is the diffuser right here. I like how it's wrapped in that plastic, which is really, really nice. And here is the blow dryer. Beautiful. So now this blow dryer, oh, this is nice, man. I love this thing. This can only be used in the United States and Canada because of the wattage, the voltage, and all that kind of stuff. So do not purchase this and try to ship it outside of the United States. Trust me on that. All right. Now I'm simply gonna do a quick little test here. I'm just gonna turn it on. Nothing crazy. And I'm just gonna make sure it works. Yep. Perfect, good to go. You can see that blue light in there. It's kind of cool, right? Cool, so it's never the issue. Here is what I'm looking for as far as, oh yeah, big time. Definitely, definitely stronger. Listen to that, man. Oh, this is perfect. Perfect. Yes, it is a little bit stronger. That's so awesome. Let's try with the diffuser. And also they wrap this in this wrap, which was never done before. That's interesting. All an upgrade. So they've upgraded me. And, yep, there it is. It's stronger. I can feel it. Now, if you jump all over the place, you know, anything is going to fall off. But I can tell you right now, boom, perfect. And the nozzle right there, this, man. So all the blow dryer has been upgraded. I'm so happy. And I just want to share this with you all, you know, be a part of the journey with me on this stuff because I'm always trying to make improvements. I want to be a little more transparent with you all because a lot of you support these products and purchase them. And I want to let you know that the difference with me being a professional hairstylist is that's what you're getting. You're getting someone with 30 plus years experience. You're getting someone who's worked for 2 of the largest beauty companies in the world. You're not getting some guy who's a part-time manager at Starbucks and never touched someone's hair before in their life except their own. I'm putting the passion, the expertise into my products, and that's what I want for you. I want you to get amazing products, right? And reach out to me, leave a comment below if you have purchased my products, if you had a bad experience, with my crafted products like the extreme hold matte paste, the clumping, and you were like, oh, this product sucks, and you threw it away and never want to touch it. I don't blame you. Send me an email on my Contact Us form, all right? And I can work out something with you to send you a new one. But yeah, I really appreciate all the support. Let me know if you enjoy this behind the scenes video, and I really thank you all so much. And if you want to use any of these products and purchase them, code YouTube20. That's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com for 20% off. It's a special gift for all of you. Thanks so much. I'll see you soon.